Safety message for the week of June 9th, clothing and safety. Everybody will be also sent a copy in written form. And again, off the website, often but overlooked aspect of safety is when we decide what we wear each day on a job. Rules, weather, type of work, hazards of the work, and many other factors weigh into what type of clothing optimal for the task being completed for that day. It is vital to consider the impact clothing can have on safety at work. Weather and choice of clothing. Outside of safety rules and regulations, the weather conditions are the main deciding factor of what clothing someone's going to wear for that day. The area where the job site will decide many things about what a person should wear to work. Breathable, thinner layers are more desirable in warmer temperatures. In colder, thicker, and warmer layers will obviously need to be worn to protect workers. Many climates, it may be necessary to wear warmer clothing in the morning and then wear fewer layers in the afternoon. It's important to plan what you're going to wear after considering the weather and how long you will be exposed to it, depending on what work you're completing for that day. Picking up clothes to keep you comfortable as well as it protects you from the elements is very important to allow you to focus fully on your work task. Not wearing the proper attire, I see it all the time, will take your focus off your work and put you in a cold, hot, or wet, unprepared situation for the weather. Other considerations. Make sure clothing fits properly. Loose clothing can interfere with being able to complete work safely. It can get caught in rotating equipment or on other objects. Do not wear clothing with big tears or holes. Tears or holes can also interfere with your work. There have been incidents where a hole or tear from clothing has gotten caught in equipment controls. This can easily cause unintended movements, which can lead to injuries or property damage. Bring extra clothing to work. Having extra clothes ensures you're able to change if you get a chemical on your clothing or they become wet. Whatever the problem may be, it is important to have an option to change. Being comfortable helps to allow to focus on your work. Watch strings or hooded sweatshirts when working around rotating equipment or when working on equipment for that matter. These parts can easily get caught up in the rotating parts. Wear clothing that covers the skin when in areas where poison, ivy, or insects are a possibility. Covering your skin is the best way to protect yourself from these types of hazards. In summary, pay more attention to your clothing you choose to wear to work. Plan for what the weather will be and whatever the climate is if working indoors. Choosing types of clothes that will protect you as well as fit comfortably. Proper clothing will allow you to focus on your work and work more efficiently. Discussing point to consider, do you think what we wear on the job has a large impact on safety? That's my message for the week. The tagline and trademark of Safety Connections, life is all about choices. Each and every choice is yours. Please make the right choice. Have a great week, everyone.